Hello, I am Dr. Nayan. You are watching Biodesk. Today we shall begin the study about phylum Annelida. Annelida is the group of invertebrate animals. The term Annelida has been derived from Latin language, in which annulus means ring and eidos means form. So here the name comes from ringed form because this group includes elongated cylindrical animals. You can see in the diagram cylindrical body having several ring-like grooves. The grooves indicate segmentation of the body, and that's why these are called ringed worms. The name Annelida was coined by Lamarck in 1802 AD. Members of this phylum are often called ringworms because these have elongated, cylindrical, and segmented worm-like bodies. The common examples of this group are Ferretima, which is commonly called earthworm. Hirudinaria is the scientific name for leech. Lumbricus, another scientific name for earthworms. Nares, etc. So let us see the diagrams of these animals. Here the images are of earthworms having elongated cylindrical and segmented body. The different segments are very clear here. Leech, the parasitic animal. Earthworm, free living. In earthworms, minute locomotory structures are found, which are called CT. However, CT are absent in leeches. Leech bears suckers. Leech, parasitic animal, earthworm, free living. However, one another free living creature, Nereis. This animal has distinctly divided body with several pairs of small lobe-like structures. These are called parapodia. Parapodia help in locomotion. Now, let us see the general characters of this group. These animals have organ system level of body organization. Means organ systems are developed. They are developed than the previous group, Nemathelminthes. Members of this group include both aquatic and terrestrial organisms. Some members are free living, some are parasitic. Remember, earthworm free living, leech is a parasitic organism. In them, body is elongated, cylindrical, bilaterally symmetrical, means right and left side similar. They are triploblastic organisms having 3 layers of germinal cells, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Remember, triploblastic animals are in Platyhelminthes and Nemathelminthes also, and in all remaining groups, triploblastic condition is found. And annelids are first coelomate organisms. These have true coelom. Remember coelom, the body cavity. The cavity inside the body in between alimentary canal and body wall. And here the coelom is true means fully developed, lined by mesodermal cells on all the sides. So these are also called eucoelomate animals, and they have metamerically segmented body. Metamerically means body divided into many similar segments. Remember the body of earthworm, several segments. In Nereis also so many similar segments, and this condition of being divided into several similar segments called metamerically segmented. Metameres means many segments. The body is externally covered with a thin layer of cuticle. Cuticle is the wax-like material that provides protection. In annelids, appendages may be present or absent. Remember, appendages, free moving outgrowths of the body. If present, these are unjointed CT or parapodia. Insects have jointed legs, but in annelids, the appendages are unjointed and they are called CT or KT or parapodia. Remember parapodia in nereis, the lobe-like structures. When we talk about alimentary canal, in this group, alimentary canal is well developed. It is complete and digestion is extracellular, means outside the cell with the help of different enzymes. The gaseous exchange or respiration takes place by general body surface or by gills. General body surface means the outer covering of the body, the skin or integument. And in some members, gills are also found. The process of excretion, removing metabolic waste. Excretion takes place by nephridia. Remember, in previous groups we have seen the term protonephridia, primitive nephridia. Here, nephridia. The diagram indicates the proper typical structure of a nephridium. This is septal nephridium in case of earthworm. So nephridia are minute, microscopic, coiled tubular structures which help in removing metabolic wastes. Nervous system includes a nerve ring, a round alimentary canal, and a ventral nerve cord. In this diagram, we can see the nerve ring. Here, around the alimentary canal, this nerve ring includes certain swollen ganglia and a nerve cord lying below the alimentary canal. This nerve cord runs along the mid-ventral line of the body. So this one also called ventral nerve cord. Thus nerve ring and ventral nerve cord are peculiar structures in case of annelids. In them, circulatory system is of closed type. Remember circulatory system, in which blood vascular system, blood flows. Flow of blood is for the purpose of transportation of materials inside the body. Circulatory system is of two different types in different animals. This may be of open type or of closed type. What is the meaning of closed type? Remember, in closed type of circulatory system that is found in case of all vertebrates, the blood flows through closed vessels. Here, the heart has been shown, heart that pumps the blood, and this blood passes through definite blood vessels. The blood vessels later divide and redivide into capillaries. All these capillaries later unite, forming veins, and veins collect the blood up to the heart. So in closed type of circulatory system, blood flows through closed vessels only, through blood vessels only. However, in open type, the blood capillaries are open at their tips and the blood is released into the body cavity. And from there, the blood is later collected by different pores. And these pores are in the walls of the heart. So here, the example of open type of circulatory system. Open type of circulatory system is found in arthropods and some members of mollusca. However, in Annelida, closed type of circulatory system, blood always flows through closed tubular channels. In them, blood is red due to presence of hemoglobin. But remember, hemoglobin is dissolved in blood plasma. RBC absent. Blood plasma contains hemoglobin and so the blood is red. The members are mostly hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means bisexual. Earthworm, leech, they are bisexual individuals. and the development may be direct or indirect. Direct means no larval stage. In case of indirect development, we see some larval stages. In some members, trochophore larva is found in annelids. This is all about introduction and general characters of phylum Annelida. This much for today. Next time we shall see the classification of phylum Annelida. See you in the next one. Thank you.